Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Namuma. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Before I start the video, I bought this mic like I think a month ago. If it's not a month ago, like a month and some few months ago, and I've not been using it. But place to me, but today they're cutting down some trees behind our block, and there's a lot of noise, so there's no way I could vlog, so I decided to use it, and I think it's working well and I love it. So yeah, today we're going to restock my fridge, and yeah, just restock my fridge, and I think there's some, yeah, let me just say, do some little shopping in the house. Yeah. So let me hope. Not let me hope. Mm, I think I'll take you guys with me. So let's go, guys. Woo.
We arrived at Naivas, and long story short, I thought I was recording, but I didn't realize the mic had switched off, and it's like I was just talking to myself. But yeah, so here we are. We are looking at vegetables. I took some. Before I forget, I always write down the items that I need, or the items that zimeisha kwa nyumba, and that is what I go for in the supermarket. I don't just buy things like randomly like that. No, I can end up buying the whole supermarket and just go bankrupt. So we started with the veggies, and we'll move step by step as we go by. Yep. Ever since I started dieting, I've been taking the vanilla 150 ml, but yeah, and it helps me. So I only take one per day. That's why I take five that lasts weekly. I love yogurt so much that sometimes even I can forgo breakfast and just take one yogurt and one fruit, and I just say I call it a day. I miss lunch and take only dinner. Yeah, and I call it a day. On to the next item, which was sausages. So yeah, and I'm using a list, guys. Here I could have picked two, the sausages and the smokies, but I picked one. I grew up knowing like this is the only sugar in Kenya, like literally. But when it disappeared is when I introduced myself to these other types of sugars. But okay, now it's back in the market, and let's grab it because it just reminds me of home, like literally. The smell just tells you like you have arrived. The natural sweetness, the natural Kenyan sweetness, guys. Oh no, the best man. Let's go.
Kwani 19 days.
Yeah, true. 172 pieces in 80 pieces. 80 pieces. $24 and that. You can economize, my friend. Something straight. But not to me. That's not for the change. Take it to me, lavender, nice spice.
Strawberry smells nice. Strawberry.
Kama urudi kwa hizo kitambo hizo.
Hivi ni mzazi wako anaweza nunua.
Hizo za kitambo hizo.
Airwick.
Yes, kuangalia hiyo. Two pieces.
Inaangalia ml. Sabuni kurudisha ml.
Nikikuja nikadhania hiyo ni list ile ni list. Hapana, sisi hata kwa data zitakuwa sawa.
Tujaribu.
Sasa vitu ni hizo same.
Sisi ulipewa? Sawa. Kama we go side ya tissue. Okay, tissue ni tissue. Hebu niende kwa
Lazima ngati si tissue.
Bella ni ngapi? Angalia Bella. 395 sale. Kama kuna offer
In 10 pieces. Nava Rosie ni 335.
10 pieces. Ndio ya 335. I think kuna offer. Organize the car.
Oh, sorry.
Kitchen towel.
Sio kuna 166 hapo hivi.
So, hebu sasa nifanyishe hiyo hesabu. Hii 166 times 2 ni 332. Ndio. Hizi ukichukua mbili ni 320. Tena 305. Which one is the cheapest? Taking 2 or taking 1? I think 2 is better. Yeah. Chukua hiyo tena.
Kwani? Then 2 packs 305.
Yeah, 305. Then taking 1
times 2.
Yeah. Malgana na toiletries. Mbaki rolon. Then donuts.
You have
the money? I think it has an offer. Na moja if you're taking one it is 350. Just if you want yours. Ama yako nitachukua kwa men.
Miezi tu bado.
Mimi ndo nikufunza kutumia.
Sasa natumianga nini? Mimi natumia tu spray.
Wige.
Wewe toka ndo hujatembea hata kitu.
Saki ninunue kubwa, the best things. Saki ninunue kubwa. Alafu nishikie kwa nyumba nishikie.
Hata ni hizi ndogo tu sasa.
But kia ndogo if you buy, utokana nunua mingi. Let me just buy this one.
166. 116.
116. I think it's an offer.
I know.
The expiry date ndo na check.
Naomba chini. 2025.
This one will last. I've got sugar, imebaki bread, the tomatoes, onions, zote tunanunua huko. Kilicho zimemaliza, sasa imebaki tu.
Unafunganga chini. Wewe naye unatoka Western. Unaje kwanza kujua kufuga hii kitu?
Hata tukinyamaza sasa niweke hiyo comment.
Tena pima kwanza.
Ndio nipime kwanza.
Java keji?
Bado. Kwa nyumba ndo count views, not counting.
Au kuna kota.
Nyanya.
Juice na soda gani ina last?
Tumenunua soda moja na free food for a year. Participate, buy any 1 liter, 1.25 liter. Check under the car, send the code. Lakini inayo utawin hadi utanunua masoda hadi saa ngapi? Wewe ndio unakunanga soda. Kuja uone sasa chicken sana kwa Dubai. Sio huko nje ni same price, lakini huko nje unapata na shingo na kila kitu na miguu.
Miguu. Ndio wao wametoa.
Wanaona kutengeneza. Inaona mgongo.
Sasa tu kidogo umetembea unauma mgongo.
Sio jana nimetoka kufanya exercise pia falai. Chafia fish fillet next. Difference ya na hiyo ya 507 ni si nyama.
Si nyama inafanya na kwa nzito.
Hebu na ya 507. Lakini ninaona inakaa healthy. Iko ya
The healthy one.
Tunasema cheap is expensive. So, tutachukua.
Pena roho gani?
Tunaweza pika huko mbele tupate. Huko na record.
Demiki.
Bought the eggs from a wholesaler just around our place at a cheaper price than buying in the supermarket. So that is what I got from the supermarket, the ones that I needed to restock. And yeah, remember to subscribe, guys, like and share, and also comment down below on what you want me to do next. Bye till next time.